Unless you're a dermatologist, this week's portion of Tazria Metzora is probably not a topic you feel comfortable discussing. Skin diseases are not exactly what you might call Shabbat dinner conversation. But we learned something interesting about the role of the Kohen, or the priest, with regard to these leprous afflictions. Like a physician, it was the Kohen's job to visit the afflicted person, examine their sores, and help heal them. But that was not the only job of the Kohen. The Kohen was also responsible to help reintegrate the afflicted individual back into the community after being isolated for a period of time. This concept of reintegration is going to be at the center of synagogue conversations around the world for the next several months. We have become so accustomed to living our lives in isolation, desperately trying to avoid a different kind of affliction, that it is not so easy for us to re-enter the space of others and be a part of community again. We will need to make a conscious effort to remember what it means to share space, what it means to sometimes put our personal needs aside for the sake of the larger good, and what it means to turn that M upside down in order to spell we instead of me. That's what the ancient Kohanim remind us how to do, even today, as we no longer just dream of being together, but begin to take concrete steps towards making that our reality once again. Shabbat Shalom.